Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be making coriander pesto. I love this recipe because it's so versatile. I use it as a dip, a spread or a dressing, and I think you'll love it too. This recipe will take one whole bunch of coriander. I'm just going to remove the roots here in a twisting motion. They come off very easy. I'm going to wash the leaves now, making sure there's no dirt or old leaves remaining. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how I make my zucchini salad using this pesto as the dressing. Our family loves this recipe and it's been a staple for us for a few years now. I store a batch in the freezer and it lasts for up to 3 months. Okay, so here I'm just shaking off the excess water and then I'm going to set that aside. Now take your coriander and place it into your blender, or today I'm using a stick blender, so into my tall cup. Then I've got a half a teaspoon of salt. I use Celtic Sea Salt for the mineral content. And I've got 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can opt for no oil in this recipe. I'm adding 1/4 cup of water, adding more later to adjust the consistency as I go. Here I'm adding 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds. I'm measuring out 1/4 cup of pepitas or pumpkin seeds. I like to use natural seeds and nuts in my recipes because applying heat through roasting can cause the oils within them to change and making them not as bioavailable or nutritional for us. 1/2 cup of natural walnuts will make this pesto smooth and creamy. 2 raw cloves of garlic. This will help your immune system. And fresh squeezed lemon juice. In my opinion, try and use fresh lemon juice and not from a bottle because they have had to heat the juice to give it shelf life, and so it's lost its flavour and nutritional value compared to fresh lemon juice. So I'm just going to blend this now until well combined. So as you can see, it's a little dense. This is when I'm just going to be adding a little bit of water as I go. The blending can take a few minutes, but be patient. Once it's finished, it's delicious. I hope you enjoyed watching that process. Here's the recipe. Go and try it. Let me know how you go in the comments below. And now, as promised, I want to show you how I make my zucchini noodle salad. Placing 1/2 zucchini in the spiralizer, and I'm making the zucchini noodles now. This does not take a long time. It probably took me about a minute to do a whole bowl of zucchini noodles. And now I'm just going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the coriander pesto and just stir that in through my zucchini noodles. At this stage, you could go ahead and enjoy it as is, or you can add other flavours. I've chosen to add 1/2 tomato diced. And 7 Kalamata olives with the seeds removed. This was a very filling salad as it contained lots of good oils from the walnuts and seeds we put in the pesto. I hope you enjoy this as much as I did. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe below and hit the bell.
Don't forget to hit the like button.